When compiling a Xamarin app in Visual Studio and you're getting this error message that says target as flag mutable or flag immutable to be specified when creating pending intent, this is how you resolve it. Now in my application here, I don't use pending intent in any capacity, but I do know that one of these packages here, they do use them. So how you resolve it? First of all, let me show you how the error comes about. On my Visual Studio here, I've hooked up my mobile phone via USB, as you can see on the left hand side here. And if I were to run or deploy that application into my mobile phone, the splash screen comes up and then followed by the error message like that. And you can see this is the same error message which I've been talking about. Now how you can resolve it? Before we go on how you resolve it, let me show you so that you can compile and baseline what you have against mine. I'll show you my .NET version is 2.0, is .NET Standard 2.0, and my target Android application will be, first of all, in application, this is Android 13, and under manifest, you can see that the minimum Android version is level 21, and the target Android version is level 33. How you solve it? Let me minimize everything else. On your Android branch, you're going to right click here and click on Manage NuGet Package. As you can see, this is all the packages that's being installed right now for the Android. One package that's not here is called the Xamarin.AndroidX.Work.Runtime. So that's the one you're going to have to browse and install it. Search for Xamarin.AndroidX.Work.Runtime, and this is the one that I'll be using. At the time of this video publishing, the latest version is 2.7.16. The one I've always been working on was 2.7.0. I'm going to install that because I know it works. So I'm going to click install here and accept here. Once the installation is complete, let's clear this guy and click on install. You can see that you have this version installed on your application. Also on the Android branch itself, you can actually see your AndroidX.Works runtime is being installed. Now I'm going to close this. I'm going to close everything else, and I'm just going to run it now. As you can see, this time around, the Android application actually get deployed into my mobile phone and is actually running. If you're curious about what this app is, this is just a simple app to print PDF document for kids to learn their basic math. Check it out on Google Play. It's called Printable Math Worksheet under my company name. If you learned something, please like and subscribe. Other than that, you have a great day. Bye now.